Improving how to spend your money. Money may not be with you all throughout the year. There are downs and ups when we talk about the financial resources and income of an individual or family. In dealing with financial difficulties, there is a need to have budgeting techniques as early as possible. There is a need for us on how to master the art of stretching the capacity of our available money. It is but normal to commit errors, especially when you are not yet used to doing things your job calls for you to. But do not make those mistakes that you would surely regret in the long run. As soon as you could, you have to develop a great way of managing to budget your money. There are some tips you could remind yourself of. These would be points you could use in making or establishing good means to improve the way you budget your money. Make a list of your unwanted budgeting habits. This includes all those you think of being not useful or helpful for you and your financial needs and financial security. You plan on what to do in order to take the first steps in changing your old habits or acts in which they made your budget method a failure. Manage your income and the amount of money you spend by preparing a sort of tally sheet of such information. Prepare your spend plan. This must include your foreseen expenditures. Collect receipts and note bigger amounts spent. Limit spending by looking for some alternatives to it. As much as possible, do not use as much credit card or checks. Those above mentioned points are really a great reminder for you. If followed, you would clearly see the improvement in your budget techniques. It would surely result to better financial management capacities for you. When this is achieved, you would definitely live a more satisfactory life. The right way of how you budget what you need is a winning one in the field of financing one's self.